So what about wrongful death cases? To my dismay, I once had someone who I had known for years come up to me and tell me that my uncle got killed on I-85 by a reckless truck driver. And said they were going to hire me, but they knew I just did injury cases, but I didn't do death cases. Well, that's not true. Death is the ultimate injury. The cause of action, the legal term for a case where a personal injury results in death, is a wrongful death case. A companion case with a wrongful death case is often called a survival case. They're not exactly the same, but they arise out of the same set of facts. Wrongful death is the damages that the family of a person suffers because of the loss of their, let's say, their father. There's going to be grief and sorrow. There's going to be a life without having that person there to lead and guide you. All of the feelings that a person typically has when they tragically lose a loved one are considered damages in a wrongful death case. And if the wrongful death case is settled on the basis of a wrongful death case or is awarded by a jury, those damages go directly to the lawful heirs of the person that was killed. For example, if it's a husband, half the benefits would go to his wife and the other half will be divided among his children. Needless to say, I'm not going to go into all of the scenarios about who are someone's heirs, but that's how these damages are awarded. Wrongful death damages go to the heirs of the person who suffered death as a result of a personal injury. Now, on the other hand, a case for survival is based on a person dying as a result of a personal injury, but those damages go to the estate. Those damages are what the deceased actually suffered himself or herself between the time of the personal injury and death. For example, let's assume that there is an auto collision and the person is killed instantly. More than likely, all of the damages from that wrongful death will go to his heirs because he didn't have time to suffer. He died instantly. On the other hand, if the collision caused the person to be trapped in the car and he was there an hour while he was trying to be removed by the jaws of life and he was in intense pain and then he dies on the way to the hospital, that's a much more horrific set of facts. His heirs have the same damages for wrongful death, but he actually has damages that he suffered between the personal injury and his death. And those damages, whether they're settled or whether they come from a verdict from a jury, those damages go to his estate. And then those damages flow out of his estate according to probate law. Now, probate law is much too complicated for this video, but I hope this helps you understand the difference between wrongful death and survival cases. And I truly hope that this video helps you understand that Bryan Ramey and Associates handles wrongful death and survival cases along with injury cases, because wrongful death is the ultimate personal injury. Feel free to look at the rest of my website, www.bryanramey.com, for other helpful information, or I trust it'll be helpful to you. You also can call my office in Greenville, 295-0000, Spartanburg, 597-0000, Anderson, 226-0060. The call is free and the first meeting is free. This is Bryan Ramey. Thanks for watching.
Bryan Ramey takes care of your case so you can take care of you.